As a registered dietitian, I often get asked, how can I incorporate more fruits and veggies in my diet? One way that I love and recommend is to find ways to incorporate veggies in some of your favorite recipes. I have partnered with the California Avocado Commission to share with you how easy it is to add more fruits and veggies to your recipes. The ingredient that makes this dish a true California dish is California avocados. California grown avocados are in season spring through fall. As a nutritional professional, I recommend eating more plants. To be plant forward, there's no need to cut out the meat completely. Now, let's get cooking. To start, preheat the oven at 375 degrees. Using a food processor or a blender, coarsely chop the celery, the carrots, onions, and the mushrooms. I am incorporating plenty of vegetables when making this delicious meatloaf because veggies help to increase fiber intake and most vegetables are low in fat and calories. In a large bowl, combine the meat, the veggie mix, oats, salt, and pepper. Now, using your hands, mix the ingredients well to make sure the ingredients are well distributed. Then add the tomatoes, and now to add even more nutrition and good fats and a fruit source, let's add California avocados. Now combine the tomatoes and avocado to the meat veggie mixture softly so the avocados cubes don't get smashed. Heart healthy avocados not only provide good fats, but also they act as a nutrient booster because they help absorb the fat soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Now let's spray a loaf pan with a non-stick cooking spray and transfer the mixture into the pan. And cover with an aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, uncover the meatloaf and using a no sugar added barbecue sauce, pour that on top, brush it on top, and put and cover back in the oven and cook for 10 minutes. And finish it up with the broil for another 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. When ready, carefully remove the meatloaf from the pan and let it cool for 10 minutes. Now, the best part, the taste. Can't wait for this. Wow, wow, wow. What a nutritious way to include more vegetables and California avocados in your diet. For this recipe, nutrition information, and more delicious recipes, visit CaliforniaAvocado.com. You'll also find this beautiful t-shirt in the new California Avocado merch shop.